Connect to vacuum pump. Connect to the liquid separator. Drain ball valve. Installation level sight tube. Install T. Sealing tape needs to be installed on any thread. This is just a demonstration and no sealing tape has been installed. Install the G12 16mm connector. Install the vacuum pressure gauge. Install the 90-degree bend connector. Install a transparent hose with a diameter of 8 millimeters. Measure and cut to an appropriate length. Insert the hose properly to ensure a good seal. Install the G12 16mm connector for the vacuum liquid separator. Install the drain ball valve at the bottom. When in operation, the ball valve is in the off position. Turn off the drain ball valve. Connect to the liquid separator. Connect to the vacuum pump. Observe the liquid level height.